Hello and welcome to my store, and thank you for your interest in the SuperStay Full Coverage Complete Foundation. This is a Maybelline product, and this one is the color Toffee Caramel. It's number 330. I wanted to make these videos, or this video, in order to show you the true color of the foundation so you can get a better idea of your shade, hopefully in a truer ability for you to be able to make a better choice here, to get the shade that's right for you. Now this is 336 warm bronze. This is 356 warm coconut. This is 362 truffle. And this last one is 380 espresso. Now, I hope that gives you a better idea of which shade is right for you. And thank you for your interest in my product. And please, if you're interested in more makeup or HBA, check out my store and give it a follow, because I will be uploading more makeup and HBA as time goes by. Thank you.